Dear viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make apple strudel. Well, basically I'm gonna show you with the filo pastry, but with my next episode you can have a look how we do the dough for the apple strudel dough. That's very easy, very simple to do. Just we need some apples, we need some sultanas. We're gonna add some sultanas to it. Add a little bit of cinnamon powder. We're going to add some sugar. If you like sweet, feel free to use more. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it. A little bit of lemon juice. Lemon juice. Now we're going to mix them very well. Viewers, now we got the filo pastry. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put the butter all around. Then we're gonna add our apples. Now we're going to start this one with the bottom and this one in this side. Now we're going to brush it with the butter. Viewers, now I'm going to put a bit of sugar on top and a little bit of cinnamon. We're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, 180 degrees. Viewers, that's my beautiful apple strudel is ready. Is ready to serve. Look at that, how cute they looks. Oh, delicious, aren't they? I can resist. It's beautiful, yummy and delicious. Oh, viewers, enjoy my beautiful apple strudel. Enjoy and bon appetit. We're gonna cut them now. Viewers, that's my apple strudel. Oh, look at the sound. Ah, look at the color. How beautiful and cute they looks. Ah, that's my beautiful apple strudel. Enjoy and bon appetit. They are crispy and crunchy. Ah, the cinnamon smell. Ah, yum, yum, delish. Enjoy and bon appetit.